Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tensor de Banda motor is probably one of the most overlooked components in your engine, but it's absolutely critical. This small part ensures your engine's belts are running smoothly, powering everything from your alternator to your power steering. Without a properly functioning tensor, you're looking at potential belt slippage, reduced performance, and even engine damage. So, let's dive in and find the perfect one for your vehicle. Number 5. Doiplent 39092 Belt Tensioner for Honda. This belt tensioner is designed for several Honda models. It's compatible with the Odyssey, Pilot, Accord Cross Tour, and Accord. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing. This part fits various Honda models from 2005 to 2011. Specifically, it's designed for the Honda Odyssey, Pilot, Accord Cross Tour, and Accord. Please check the description to confirm compatibility. This tensioner replaces multiple part numbers. You can use numbers like 305390, 39092, and others listed in the description. It's a direct replacement for your existing part. The torsional round spring design provides consistent tension. It also prevents contamination. This design helps ensure the belt's longevity and performance. The vibration damping system enhances the tension. It reduces energy to a natural frequency. This feature helps extend the life of the tensioner, belts, and other accessories. This product comes with a 1-year warranty. If you need any assistance, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. This tensioner features a vibration damping system, which reduces energy and extends the life of your belts and accessories. It also provides consistent tension, ensuring optimal performance. If you're looking for a reliable tensioner with a focus on longevity and a worry-free experience, you should consider this one, especially if you value peace of mind with a solid warranty. What people say. This tensioner fits great and came with a new bolt. It has performed great for months now with no problems, would recommend to anyone looking for quality replacement part. As an advertised product at an affordable price, so far so good. I would recommend changing the belt even if it's only a couple months old, because a brand new tensioner is going to be stretching that belt out just a little bit more than it was before because the old one just was not providing enough tension. This product has a 1-year warranty. I'm hoping I don't have to worry about this belt tensioner for at least a few years. If anything changes I'll try to update, but as I said, easy install, perfect fit, makes no noise. I drive a 2005 2.4L Honda Accord LX. Fit my 2011 MDX. No noise, working perfectly. Number 4. A Premium Belt Tensioner Assembly. This A Premium Belt Tensioner Assembly is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Chevrolet Prism, Pontiac Vibe, and various Toyota models. It's designed to fit perfectly and ensure optimal performance for your car. Specifically designed for Chevrolet Prism, 1998 to 2002, Pontiac Vibe, 2003 to 2008, 2010, and Toyota Corolla, Matrix, Celica, and MR2 Spider models. Please check the fitment details to ensure it matches your vehicle's specifications. This assembly replaces parts with reference numbers such as 1662000W090, 1662000W091, and many more. These numbers ensure you're getting the correct replacement part for your vehicle. The tensioner includes one pulley designed for serpentine belts. It has an outside diameter of 70 mm, a bearing bore inside diameter of 17 mm, and a width of 26 mm. These specifications ensure a perfect fit and function. This belt tensioner assembly is engineered to match the original part's performance. It maintains proper belt tension, rotates smoothly, and operates quietly, ensuring your engine runs efficiently. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee on this belt tensioner assembly. Buy with confidence knowing that the product is meticulously crafted and backed by a solid warranty. What we like. This tensioner is designed to match the original part, ensuring a perfect fit and sturdy construction. It maintains proper belt tension for smooth and quiet operation. If you have a vehicle listed in a compatibility chart and want a reliable, OE quality replacement, it is a great choice. What people say. Fit well and working great. Fit and works fine. After 1 year, everything good. Number 3. Gates 39162, DriveAlign automatic belt drive tensioner. This tensioner is designed to fit cars, vans, SUVs, and light trucks. It works for both domestic and import vehicles, including European and Asian models. It's a versatile solution for many different vehicles. This product is manufactured using the same or improved technology and materials as the original equipment manufacturer. This ensures that it meets factory standards. You can trust it to perform reliably. The patented labyrinth seal protects the internal components. This design helps it meet or even exceed the life expectancy of the original equipment. This feature helps it last longer. It has a patented vibration damping system that absorbs extreme vibrations. This improves the lifespan of the tensioner, the belt, and other accessories. This feature helps everything run smoothly. The torsional round spring design provides both reliability and consistent tension. This ensures that the belt operates correctly. This design helps it function properly. What we like. This tensioner is manufactured with OEM quality materials, ensuring a factory match. It also features a patented vibration damping system. If you prioritize reliability and want a tensioner that meets or exceeds OE life expectancy requirements, this is a good option. What people say. Plug and play, still works. Fits perfectly, no issues at all. Fixed the problem. Installation is moderately difficult. You have to unbolt the motor mount. Take your time and it's not bad at all. Great quality replacement part. Way cheaper than local parts store for the same part. Number 2. A Premium Belt Tensioner Assembly. This is the A Premium Belt Tensioner Assembly. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly. You can rely on it for optimal performance. This assembly fits a wide range of vehicles, including Buick, Chevrolet, GMC, and Pontiac models. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your car. The assembly replaces part numbers like 24430-296 and V40-0666. These numbers help you confirm that this is the correct part for your vehicle. It features a pulley with a V-ribbed belt type. The outside diameter is 82 mm, with a bearing bore inside diameter of 17 mm, and a width of 27 mm. These specifications ensure a perfect fit and function. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. We provide quality automotive accessories, so you can drive with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This tensioner is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It is built with durable construction. If you own one of the listed vehicles and want a reliable tensioner backed by a solid warranty, it is a great choice. What people say. Works perfectly, exact factory replacement. This tensioner fixes the original one that becomes noisy. Fit and function were as expected. Number 1. NewYall Drive Belt Tensioner for Honda. Are you looking for a reliable drive belt tensioner? This assembly is designed to fit your Honda. It ensures optimal performance and longevity for your vehicle. This tensioner is specifically designed for Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2010. It's a perfect fit, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. Replace your old one with this new one. It also fits Honda Odyssey models from 2005 to 2010. This part will help maintain the correct belt tension. Keep your engine running efficiently with this replacement. This tensioner assembly is also compatible with Honda Pilot models from 2006 to 2011. It's built to last and provide consistent performance. Get yours today and experience the difference. And it's a match for the Honda Accord Cross Tour from 2010. This part is a direct replacement, making installation easy. Ensure your engine's reliability with this tensioner. What we like. This tensioner is designed specifically for Honda Accord, Odyssey, and Pilot models. It is built to OEM quality standards. If you have one of these Honda vehicles and want a direct replacement that's easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. Solid unit, exact OEM fit, took me about 20 minutes tops to install it. Good quality and perfect fit. I bought this and replaced it within a little more than an hour after spending hours trying to get the belt on the old one. Works fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.